What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing, but we're going to do something a little bit different. I just came back from hunting. I'm a little bit haggard, I just had a shower so I feel a bit better. I'm not wearing any pants and I've had a second coffee. Now typically, I'd be wearing my apron, but I really want to get into this unboxing video. I really want to get into this box. It's the first time I buy a knife that is used. I bought it from my buddy on Instagram, a boy named Sweeta. And I'm sure you want to see what's inside. I want to see what's inside, so this is going to be a two-part video. I'm opening it now so I can see it for myself, and then in a day or two I'll be filming the other half where you'll see what's in the box, as well as talking about what knife it is you're looking at. So as usual, we have our trusty Higo. Let's get to it. What's inside the box? Extremely well packaged. So the used knife that we bought from my buddy, a boy named Sweeta, is a knife that he bought in 2015. I'd like to say it's my first from this brand, but apparently it isn't. A story I'll share a little bit later. I actually bought a Takamura about 6 years ago. I didn't understand all the hype. It was a Santoku 165. It was a buddy who brought it back from Japan. Red Paka wood handle. Didn't found myself to use it a lot, and so instead I got a very hard to get 240mm Takamura Uchigomo no Hana Gyoto 65 layers of Damascus. Alright, let's see what's inside this Takamura box. This is probably the largest box I've ever seen for a knife, even though it is not the longest knife I own. First thing in the box appears to be the saya that comes with the knife. Let's have a look. Should just be standard. Ooh, nice paint job though. Here's the 240mm saya with the saya pin, which came in the box. Let's see how that fits. Perfect. And now what we really want to see is the knife in the box. And so what you have in front of you is a 240mm Takamura. Now this is the Uchigomo no Hana. The difference between the Uchigomo no Hana and just the Uchigomo, which you'll see, is the wa handle. So just Uchigomo comes with the yo handle. This one has a wa handle, which is why it's called Uchigomo no Hana. You'll also see it sometimes described as just the Hana series. 65 layers of Damascus, R2 powdered steel, and it's 65 layers of Damascus if you include the core steel. Now the handle, this is a custom handle which a boy named Sweeta got made, and I absolutely love it. I'll show you up here on screen, but it's curly Tasmanian blackwood, and curly refers to the type of grain, the wood grain, and so the fibers are perpendicular to each other, and so depending on the lighting, the handle can look very different in terms of how dark or how light it is, the type of contrast. Now the blacksmith, of course, is Terukazu Takamura. He's third generation blacksmith working for Takamura Hamono in Echizen at the Takufu Knife Village. If you do like, by the way, the maps that you've been seeing on screen, that's thanks to my lovely wife, who's a remote sensor. We sat down one weekend and we developed maps that I could use in Photoshop, and I can just turn layers on or off depending on which region I'm interested in, which prefixture. Makes it super easy to label. So thanks to her for being able to easily show you where these blacksmiths come from. It's quite an honor to be able to own a Takamura knife, especially one like this, which is a 240mm Gyoto. It is not a knife length that you'll commonly see out of Takamura Hamono, and so I'm super proud to own this. I don't care that it's used. I just really wanted to have a piece of history, a knife maker, a blacksmith that is renowned globally for having fantastic fit and finish, nice and thin, the R2 steel, super durable, nice edge retention. Not the easiest to sharpen, but I have a few other R2 steel knives that I own and I absolutely love them. If you like what you saw today, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment below, let me know, have you heard of Takamura-san? You own one of his knives? If so, which ones? And what do you think of this one? Again, thank you all for showing up. Thank you especially to all the recent subscribers we've had. The channel is growing and that hopefully means that you like what you see. See you next time.